I'll put a 1-inch scratch in this fender with a screwdriver. It's a deep enough scratch that we're not going to be able to just apply touch-up paint. It's going to reflect and show the scratch still. So we'll take our red filler putty and a squeegee. We'll wait 2 minutes for that to dry. And we'll take our foam block and we'll wrap a shop towel around it. And we'll wet the shop towel with paint leveler. And you'll watch me go back and forth over the repair area many times, 20+ times. And with each pass I'm taking off a little bit of that red putty. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on there. I'm just allowing the chemical to do the work and not my pressure, not the pressure from my hand. I'm using the edge of the block there to sort of clean around the scratch. And I just have a small amount of putty sitting on top of the scratch, so I'll just take the paper towel off. It's still a little bit damp, and I'll knock off that top bit of putty there. And we'll choose a matching chip. In this case, it looks like the bottom chip, which is going to be 12 drops of blue 4 and 8 drops of blue 5 is going to be the match. So we'll shake up our bottles and we'll carefully count our drops into the cup. And we'll add 2 or 3 drops of shine so that the paint dries with the gloss. This is an optional step on whites and silvers and golds. You may not notice the difference, so you may not need to use the shine. And we'll stir up our mixture. And so as our final step, we'll take our color matched paint and just touch up over the red putty. So look at how little paint I'm using here. I'm just getting the tip of the touch-up brush barely wet. And instead of trying to go back and forth across the scratch with strokes, I'm actually just kind of pecking at it a little bit at a time to go from left to right and just connect these little dots that I'm really slowly applying to the scratch. And you'll notice that I'm using the knuckle on my pinky there for leverage, and I'm holding the touch-up brush just about exactly as I would a writing pen or a pencil. So as the paint dries, it sort of flattens out, and with that foundation of the red filler putty, we're getting a very good result here.